Hi there, explorers. Welcome to the exciting world of rocks. Did you know that every rock on Earth has its own story? Today, we're going to learn about the three main types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Let's dive in and see how they're made and how they fit into the rock cycle. First up, we have igneous rocks. These rocks are born from fiery molten rock called magma or lava. When magma cools slowly underground, it forms intrusive igneous rocks with large crystals like granite. But when lava cools quickly on the surface, it forms extrusive igneous rocks like basalt or shiny obsidian. Igneous rocks are the starting point of our rock cycle. Pretty cool, right? Next, let's talk about sedimentary rocks. These rocks are formed from tiny pieces of other rocks, sand, or even remains of plants and animals. Over time, these sediments pile up in layers and get squished together to form rocks like sandstone, shale, or limestone. You can even find fossils in sedimentary rocks, clues to what life was like millions of years ago. These rocks tell us stories about Earth's history, layer by layer. Finally, we have metamorphic rocks. These rocks start as igneous or sedimentary, but change into something completely new when they're deep inside the Earth. Heat and pressure work like magic, transforming rocks into beautiful creations like marble, which used to be limestone, or slate, which used to be shale. Sometimes, the minerals in these rocks line up to form layers called foliation, but not always. Metamorphic rocks show us how powerful Earth's forces can be. Here's how it all connects. The rock cycle. Igneous rocks can break down into tiny sediments that form sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks can get buried and heated to become metamorphic rocks. And metamorphic rocks can even melt back into magma to start the cycle all over again. It's a never-ending story of transformation. So, explorers, now you know the three types of rocks and how they're formed. You'll use this knowledge in the escape room to solve puzzles and unlock the mysteries of Yosemite's rocks. Remember, you can always come back to this video if you need help. Good luck and happy exploring!